first came to Torrevieja in October 2016, we stayed at an apartment overlooking the Park of Nations. We didn't know then, but the property we would eventually buy was in the view from that apartment's balcony. The view from that apartment also included the Great Pink Lake, which has always been a fascination of ours. It wasn't until a couple of trips later, after scouting all around the various areas, that we decided on the place where we are now, in Altos del Limonar. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
We're live on that camera there. Oh, look who's watching, look.
Yeah,
Hey, I didn't know him, didn't expect to see him tonight. Anyway, here we are at the Laguna Rosa.
A pink lake.
One of our favourite places, and at this time of night it's a bit nippy because it's, what are we on, December the 2nd of December. It's a bit nippy. It's about 15 degrees. But I've got my coat on anyway.
And your jumper.
And my jumper. And my shirt and my vest. So yeah, we're here today at Laguna Rosa. Going to take some pictures. One of my passions is photography, and the best place to come in Torrevieja is the Pink Lake to get some fantastic sunsets. I'm going to crack on now because the sun's going down. I've probably got about 15-20 minutes to get some nice pictures, and you'll be able to see those just here. The Pink Lake, known locally as Laguna Rosa, is just over 6 kilometres long and is one of Torrevieja's most popular attractions. Since we first came here that trip in November 2016, the lake has been the main subject of many of my photographs. We've been here for sunsets, in the blazing heat during the day, but every time we come here, there is something different about it. These pictures were taken on that first trip. It was the end of October 2016 and the lake was so calm. The water was like pink glass and there was a slight haze. The reflections were amazing. Then, on another visit, in May 2017, the lake was decidedly choppy. The water is pink because of the halobacterium bacteria which live in this very salty environment. Salt production has been going on here since the 1st century BC. A lot of the salt is exported to Northern Europe and is used to grit the roads in winter. These next two pictures were taken in May and June 2019. One was taken at the Pink Lake and the other one, with the green water, was taken at the lake at La Mata. The idea was to blend both these images together to form a banner for our YouTube channel. But I wasn't happy with the sky, so I pinched this sky from another image that I took in October 2018. In October, skies are a lot more interesting than they are in the middle of summer. All you're going to get is blue sky and no clouds. By September, late September, October, you're starting to get some clouds, and then you can get some nice skies. Okay, well that's it. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with us. Hope you like the photography. It's in there. What do you think?
Let us know in the comments.
Let us know in the comments. If you like the photography, we'll do some more. So on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. It's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1.
Bing!
Adios!
Adios, bye!